Hello everyone, today I will show you how to activate and use a Vodafone SIM card. First, take your new Vodafone SIM card out of the packet. Look for the SIM number on the card or on the plastic holder. This number is usually a long 19 or 20-digit number written on the card. You will need this number to activate the SIM. Now, insert the SIM card into your phone. Make sure you switch off your phone before you open the SIM tray. Insert the SIM gently into the correct slot. Once the SIM is in place, turn your phone on and wait for it to start. Next, you need to activate the SIM. You can do this by using the Vodafone app or the Vodafone website. Look for the option that says Activate New SIM or something similar. You will be asked to enter an activation key. This activation key is usually given to you when you buy the SIM. You can find it on the SIM card holder, on the starter pack, or on the paper that came with the SIM. If you are using an eSIM, the activation key is usually sent to your email address. Open the email from Vodafone and look for the activation key or activation code. After you find the activation key, go back to the Vodafone app or website. Paste the activation key into the field provided on the screen. After activation, remove any old SIM card from your phone if you have one. Restart your phone so the Vodafone network settings can load properly. Once you see the signal, your Vodafone SIM is ready to use. Thanks for watching.